Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uh, fix Filmora lag. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to fix your Filmora lag, there will be things to consider. One of them is the performance of your computer. So at least have some computer that meets the minimum requirements to use Filmora. You can check that in their website and you can basically go to your web browser and search for Filmora minimum requirements. And other things you can like just start changing the settings and basically you will be needing like just to go to preferences, and from there we will be able like to change something that might have a better performance. So here in the performance you can use a GPU check, and basically, if you have like a bad GPU or like an older version GPU, you can disable the hardware acceleration for video rendering and playback. Otherwise, you can do the opposite. If you had a good GPU, you will be needing like to enable the hardware acceleration for video rendering and playback. Also, you can using it for video decoding, and this really depends on GPU. So make sure if you have like a bad GPU, just like disable it, and in case it was enabled and there was lagging, just try to disable it. Also, you can like disable the preview render, so you can have less lag in generating this background. And for this proxy, it's not really measuring. And here, playback using last rendering engine for better performance. Make sure it is in. And also for the cache, you will be needing like to enable cache, and basically you can basically have like uh, just leave the cache or like automatically clear the cache in case it has been like failed, etc. And basically those are the things that would really help like in improving the performance of Filmora. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.